Today I'm giving you 5 reasons why I think Luminar Neo is the best beginner photo editing software on the market today. We're gonna go through this quick, guys, and I'm gonna give you a discount code down in the description if you end up liking this and wanna try it out. Don't worry, they even have a money-back guarantee. Let's dive in and talk about the first one, which happens to be the ease of use and, of course, the user-friendly interface. Luminar Neo is designed with a clean, intuitive interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate. The tools are well organized and placed, and the learning curve is gentle, allowing new users to start editing photos without feeling overwhelmed. Unlike a lot of the softwares out there, the pro level stuff that you dive in and it takes you a very long time to even grasp the basics. I sure wish I had something like Luminar Neo when I first got started in photography, and technology sure has come a long way fast. I should mention this is not a sponsored video. I just really like this product and I think it's a great way for people to grow and learn and just dive into their photography journey. Number 2 is all the AI-powered tools that Luminar offers. The software includes powerful AI tools that automate complex editing tasks, features like one-click sky replacement, AI structure, AI skin enhancer, you name it. This allows beginners to achieve professional looking results with minimal effort. A lot of the time just a click or a slider. The tools analyze the image and apply adjustments intelligently, saving time and increasing your creativity. And I just love the creativity and the fun that you can have with Luminar Neo. If you're interested in the advanced AI tools like AI Generative Fill, don't worry, they have those as well. They have Generative Fill, they have Generative Expand, and even Generative Erase. This is essentially using advanced artificial intelligence to add or alter things in your image that were not originally there. Pretty wild stuff. Here's an example of each of those tools. Now, being so extreme, the good news is that you don't need to use these tools, as not everybody, including myself, are not completely comfortable using AI to this extent in their artwork. That said, AI can be really inspiring and creative, and you can actually have a lot of fun playing around with it. Next up is all of the templates and presets that are gonna take your photos to a completely different level and show you the complete differences that you can do with just a few clicks. There's a great store and a ton included in the software, and they're just an awesome thing that provide one-click solutions for various photo styles and effects. Beginners can quickly apply these presets to their photos to see instant improvements and learn how different adjustments affect their image. They really make it easy to learn right in the software, and of course, if you want, there's a million tutorials here on YouTube. Number 4 is the non-destructive editing. Now what this means is that all adjustments are made on layers, and the original image remains untouched. Now this feature is crucial for beginners because it allows them to experiment freely and revert changes without worrying about losing the original photo quality. The editing layout is straightforward and simple, and you can see what's happening in real time, and it's easy to go backwards and change something that you didn't like. Finally, one of the best things about this program is its accessibility for everybody, being an affordable option. Compared to other photo editing softwares, Luminar Neo is very competitively priced. It offers excellent value for money, like a one-stop shop with just an incredible, endless amount of tools. It provides a comprehensive set of features at a fraction of the cost of some professional-grade software, and that makes it a great accessible option for hobbyists and beginners. One great thing is there's even a buy once and own forever option that you don't get in a lot of the newer subscription-based models. They often have some great sales to take advantage of, and again, make sure you check down in the description for a discount code to save you even more. So there you go, short and sweet. There's 5 reasons why I think Luminar Neo is one of the best beginner photo editing softwares on the market today. Guys, if you did want to pick it up, they do have some great sales all the time, and I do have, again, a discount code in the description for you if you want to save a little bit more. If you did like this video and you found some value in it, hit that like and subscribe button, join the community, and if you did want to see a more in-depth review or some more Luminar Neo videos, I will link them up here for you, as I have quite a few. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching the video, and like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you next time.